Cleaning a piece of Roseville pottery and pottery in general. Today I'm going to clean up an 80-year-old Roseville, Ohio pottery vase. This vase was handed down to me. I thought it was time to clean it up and make it shine again. This is how I do it. Only when absolutely necessary, use a fine to medium grade Scotch-Brite pad to remove heavy residue from your pottery. Such as here I have some kind of oil base, paint or stain splattered on it. In places I actually have a couple of fingerprints. So I'm going to use a Scotch-Brite pad, medium grade, and just rub it very, very lightly. Don't press on it, just rub it, and rub it as long as needed to remove the residue. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm pretty happy with the end results. Come back soon and watch another video. Until then, goodbye.